We've tried everything to get Blitz and Stolas to talk to each other. The rodeo horse won't even work.
It's time to implement Operation C.
Doesn't that seem a bit drastic?
This is the only way.
Stolas, don't bullshit me. Where are we?
I'm not sure, but someone's coming.
Hi, I'm Charlie. I'm here to help with your communication issues.
What the f, Stolas? You couldn't have run your new roleplay idea by me before having the actors kidnap me? I'd be down for it, but a heads up would have been nice.
Oh, I think we're communicating just fine, Your Highness. Clearly Blitz only thinks about one thing.
I'm not the one who hired a day hooker to play a terrible slutty therapist.
You may want to reconsider how you address the Princess of Hell. A challenge given your personality.
Oh great, just what we need. Another useless meddling Roy. Oh shit.
Oh, don't worry. I have pretty thick skin. Oh, right! This is my girlfriend, Vaggie. Vaggie and I run the Has Been Hotel, a place for sinners to get rehabilitated so they can enter heaven.
That's the stupidest thing I ever heard.
Yeah, believe it or not, I get that a lot.
So why exactly are us Hellborn here?
Charlie's uncles Ozzy and Fizzarolli think you guys are stubborn idiots who need our help with your relationship.
That little bastard.
This is what I get for gifting that crystal to you, Blitz.
Oh, that's a pretty big gift. Want to talk about it?
It all started when... I was forced to marry her, and all she's ever done is torment me. She threw a not divorced yet party for our anniversary without telling me.
Let it all out, Stolas.
That's a frickin' ton. When I broke in,
She's trying to have me killed.
Tell us the words!
I think we should let them get out of their system. There's a bar in the lobby if you want to grab a drink.
Yeah, okay. Wait, how do you know I won't leave this shitty hotel?
Alistair.
I'm the absolute worst.
You ain't even on the list of the shittiest people down here.
Did Lucifer make you the keeper of the shitty people list? Piss off. I'll have you know they have an F-Blitz party every year. I've hurt that many people.
Is that it?
Of course not! I purposely ruin lives! Even my friends and my former not-quite partners!
Yeah, you ain't even close to making the damn cut for the list.
Oh, f*** you! I hurt everyone! This entire time, I've been treating the guy I had a not relationship with the exact same way his abusive ex-wife did! And I didn't even tell him she was sending assassins after him! Does that make the cut for your worst person list?
Because you actually feel bad about all that. Yeah, I'm all over this shit chump.